Hello friends, Brennan here, author, speaker, educator, and in this video, not only are we going to be talking about Gut Health 101, we're also going to be talking about the food that you ate 6 days ago has not left your system yet, and I'm going to explain right now, right here. This is you. Food goes in, you digest the food, food goes out. We get that. The cells of your body are always regenerating at various speeds. For example, these are the cells that line your intestines. They're always regenerating themselves roughly every 4 to 5 to 6 to even 7 days. So essentially, you're getting a whole new gastrointestinal system every 5 to 7 days. Now the cells of perhaps your bicep muscle, your liver, or your stomach, your femur, they're regenerating at various other speeds, a lot more. Some cells are regenerating up to every 7 years. So essentially, every 7 years, you've got pretty much a new body. Does that mean the cells are always going to be working at 100%? Not so. They're responsive to your environment. That's epigenetics. That's a whole different video, but I just want to say that your cells are responsive to the environment that they are in. Foods that you eat go in and they go out. They're going along the intestines. Now, these cells are basically in an environment. And what is that environment made up of? Well, foods. What are the foods that you're giving your body? Are they acidic? Are they alkaline? Are they made with preservatives? Are they made with chemicals? Are they made with artificial sweeteners? Are they going to disrupt your healthy bacteria, your microbiome? These cells are in that environment. And one of the fascinating things is that these cells, again, they're always regenerating roughly every 6 days, but they also adopt their environment. So when these cells are regenerating and replacing themselves, they're going to essentially adopt their history. And if that ongoing environment is toxic, a lot of pesticides, preservatives, chemicals, nitrates, sweeteners, and an environment disrupted with bad pathogenic bacteria and a decreased amount of healthy bacteria, and those cells are going to continue to adopt that unhealthy environment. So what do? Knowing that the environment, or these cells are replacing themselves every 5 to 7 days, if you can clean your diet for a minimum 5, 6, 7 days, really clean it, then essentially you're going to have a nice, new, healthy, happy intestinal system in a new environment. I just wanted to share that really quick because that is kind of a quick gut health 101 tip. Understand that the cells of the lining of the intestine are replacing themselves every 5 to 7 days. So give yourself at least a break for 5 to 7 days. Until next time, I hope you enjoy that video. Share it, like it, add a comment. Again, in next time, in good health and in good spirit.